Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is English Tonics, a channel that's concerned about the teaching and learning of the English language. If learning the English language is something you are interested in, then stick around. Click the subscribe button and like this video. Today, we are going to be considering two vowel sounds. They are a and a and a. In my previous video, I told you that concerning the vowel sounds, we look at the length of the sound and the shape of the mouth or the lips during production. And today, the A sound is a short vowel sound, and the A sound is a long vowel sound. Here, I hope you can see these. Okay, take a look at these. This here is the short A sound, while this here is the long A sound. You know the difference between the sounds by reason of the two dots you see there. Those two dots show that this is a long vowel sound. Words under these sounds are, for the A sound, you have but, B-U-T, but, N-U-T, not, F-L-O-O-D, flat, and B-L-O-O-D, blood. For the A sound, you have barred, B-A-R-D, barred, and hard, and palm, and calm. So, I hope that you learned something today. I'll see you some other time shortly. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.